here is my Pine Cove Pajamas that are the original version, like the pattern is supposed to be, with long sleeves. I did add 1.5 inches to the sleeves for the length. I added 3 inches for the length of the legs and 1 inch on the front and back rise to the pant. The fabric is Rayon twill, and actually this pant I could perfectly wear it outside like outerwear with like a normal blouse and not the pajama top. I really like this. I'm just starting to warm up to plaid, and I thought I could cope with a top made out of plaid but not the whole pajama outfit. These black pants will also go with my satin version that you've already seen, the short one. It will match, and this collar piece is made with the same rayon twill that the pants are, same as the satin set that I've already shown you. Love the pants, they fit so well with a rise adjustment, so good. And I'll show you this up close. I really wanted this red to go in the center of my body and then this red to come over here. You can see some red on the sleeves there too. So I really wanted to do that. I played a lot with the pattern placement to be able to do that so that it makes sense. All the plaid on the sides match everywhere, as you can see there. I did interface this pocket to give it some structure, or else it would just be super floppy because rayon twill is pretty flowy. No pocket on this side. This side also matches, and if you look at this seam on the sleeves, that matches too. So yeah, at the back I also have a red stripe going down the center of the body. I really wanted that to happen too. So cutting out phase took extra long with this one. Comfy pants with elastic, so nice. Here you can see the contrast collar, it's sewn in there, super neat. I like a contrast so that you can see the feature of the wrap, and I certainly did not want to match the plaid of any type here on this type of collar. You can see the shoulders match as well. You can see that matching right there. Both sides. I'm just showing off because it took me so long to do and I'm so proud. I'm super happy with my pajamas. I think they look like classic pajamas. They look like flannel pajamas, but I just can't stand flannel. I would combust. So having that look of cozy and traditional style but in a rayon twill feels amazing on. It is nice and warm for when it starts getting cooler next year. I am headed into summer right now, so I am melting to put this on for you and show you. But I'm very happy with these PJs. They are super original, well drafted, they fit amazing, they're really interesting to sew, and you can make them your own with whatever fabrics you want. You know, lots of options for fabrics. I'm really happy with my fabric choice. This rayon twill is just perfect for it. I love it. Flowy, feels nice, and it is a fabric I would be able to lounge around in and sleep in for sure. So huge thumbs up from me for these pajamas. Highly recommend. I really enjoy them. I think they're just super unique, and no buttons, none of that, easy to sew. Lovely, love them.